What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and today I have a case compatibility for the S9 and the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. A lot of people commented on my Whitestone glass screen protector review that, yeah, great screen protector, not worth the money because you can't use it with any cases. Now that is a goddamn lie. So this is the Rinky wave case. Video just dropped on that, and this thing works beautiful with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. No issues whatsoever, fits perfectly, no problem. So let's take a look at this glass screen protector. Let me turn this on. This thing is great, has a little bit of dust in the edge, but that wipes right off. I've been using this thing at work where I work outside and there's dust and cement dust from cutting things, lots of elements, rain, and there's no issues. This thing still fits and sits on the glass perfectly, has not pulled up, no dust has got underneath it, barely any scratches on it, couple small scratches, but I have taken and really beat the hell out of this thing, and it has survived. Unbelievable, probably better than the factory glass would have, because I'm pretty sure it would have scratched a lot easier. So with that said, I wanted people to know that it does work with cases, so we're going to try a few cases here today, and as I get more cases, we'll try more. But this is the 2-tier TAM case. Slap it on, slim profile, no issues whatsoever. So you get a great looking case and a great looking screen protector with no problems. Move on to the next one. I have a video on all of these cases so you can check them out. This one right here is a Lightning Knight. It's kind of like an off-brand, and this has actually become one of my favorite cases. It's got great protection, huge lips on it, and it just feels great in the hand, tons of grip. Anyways, it fits perfectly with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. No issues there. Move on, this is another Rinky case. It's the Rinky Onyx. And Rinky cases fit tight. They're so tight, they fit like, I just turned the phone off. They fit like a glove, like it's part of the phone original body, this Rinky Onyx, and there's no issues. Doesn't bother the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. 2D Emerge. This is another one of my favorite cases. As you can tell, it's a little dirty because I use it all the time. No issues, fits perfectly. Another case that fits like a glove, but no issues with the Whitestone Dome. This one right here is the Unicorn Beetle Premium Hybrid, and this one fits really tight. Was definitely going to be an issue, I thought. No issue whatsoever. Fits perfectly. Get all your protection from the case and can still use this unbelievable glass screen protector. Yes, it is expensive, but you know what? With that said, this thing gives you the ultimate in protection, and if you're spending, $700 to $1,000 on a phone, why not give it the best protection? I know it is a shame that you do have to protect your stuff, that these phones don't come out of the box, come factory, with protection, but it is what it is. You're gonna do it, you're gonna put a case on, most likely. Might as well have a case that fits with these glass screen protectors, and this glass screen protector has not given me an issue. It's not considered a case-friendly screen protector, but it works great. And all these cases have worked with it. The more cases I get, I'll put up more videos, but for right now, I just want to do a quick video on these slim profile cases, and they all work great with the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector. So that's it, guys. Just a quick video to show all the haters out there that you can use this screen protector with plenty of cases. And with that said, all these cases are pretty similar in size and fit to most of the slim profile cases from all the different companies out there. That goes for Spigen, UAG, Incipio, Tech 21. They all fit fairly close to the same. The problem is you're probably going to run into is the rugged cases like the Otterbox Defender, the dual front clips on and then the back clips together, stuff like that. But I do have the Unicorn Beetle Pro coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and we'll check out how that works with this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep it going, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and keep enjoying the videos, guys. I'm enjoying putting them out for you, and I'll catch you later. Peace.